Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to buy long-term stocks in Robinhood. So when you first get started with investing, one of the most important factors is choosing the brokers that you want or you start investing with. So for anyone who wants to start investing with Robinhood, let's get right into the video. So let's say it's your first time in the application and you want to know how to buy a stock. So what you want to do is click on the search icon at the top and type in the ticker symbol that you want to use. So let's say for example in this account we're going to go with Tesla. So type in Tesla. So it's going to come up right here. So you just have to click on Tesla. And how you actually buy the stock is you just have to click on the trade at the bottom, this one, and click buy. So once you click on buy, it's going to give you the number of shares that you want. So the more current market price for the stock and the estimated cost. So let's put in 5 shares. So that's going to be 180 per share. And estimated cost is going to be around 900. Now, once you're ready to buy the stock, all you're going to do is click review. So I don't have enough money in my account right now, but once you do this and you have like enough money, it's going to bring you to a buy screen, and all you're going to do is swipe up. And just like that, you will be brought to a stock in Robinhood, or you're gonna receive a stock in the Robinhood. Now, let's say, for example, you want to sell the stock. So all you have to do is go back to the main screen. And I don't currently own Tesla shares, but if I did, all I would do is click trade, and there will be a sell option. So here I would click sell and do the same exact thing as the buying. Now, if you guys are wondering how to buy a fractional shares or different market orders, all you would do is click on trade and then just click on the buy and click on the share icon at the top. So you can buy Tesla in dollar amounts. So you can buy a number of shares. You could also set a recurring investment. You could set a limit order, and you could also set a trailing stop order or stop limit order. So there are really a lot of options that you can use and utilize to buy these stocks. So it's pretty intuitive, and all the features are there. So right before your eyes. So once you buy the stock, your stocks are going to be added to your home screen. So as you can see in this account, I only have $713. It's pretty small. It's a pretty small amount, but you can see the current performance for the account. So 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, and a year to date. And you can also see the 1 year and all as well. So if you scroll down rather on the homepage, you will see the stocks that you currently own. So let's scroll down a bit. So these are currently all the stocks that were gifted to me, but because I referred other friends to Robinhood. So if you're interested in opening a Robinhood account, you can use your friend's link, and once you sign up and get approved, and you can also link your bank account there, you and your friend can both get a free stock worth up to $200. Not bad. Now, once you keep scrolling down on the homepage, you're gonna see that there's something called a list feature. And this pretty much just gives you the options to save stocks that you're watching and put them into lists and categorize them in whatever way that you want. And that's it. That's pretty much everything that I have to give you. And I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.